Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your TikTok personal account to a business account. And not only that, I'm going to show you how to optimize your TikTok account, such as editing your business profile, your business information, and adding your social media platforms to TikTok. Alright, so let us get started. Now, first of all, go ahead and download a TikTok account and create a new one if you do not have one yet. Now, once you already have the account, log in. And what you're going to do here is that you want to switch your personal account to a business account. So let me show you how it looks like. So first of all, make sure you go and tap on profile. Then next, you want to tap on these three lines here. Tap on that. And here you can see there are 4 options. Go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Then here you want to tap on account. And then tap on switch to business account, and then here you want to tap on next. So this is to let you know that what you're going to get when you have a business account, so you can get to learn more about your audience, track your video performance, and get engagement insights from analytics. Then tap on next. Then here you can see reach more people, grow your brand and business via promotion and contact channels. Alright, then tap on next. And here another benefit of using the business account is that you can access to the conversion tools, better connect with customers, and improve conversion rate via business tools. Alright, then tap on next. Then here you can choose your category. So for this case, I'm going to select education and training. Okay, you're going to select the category that is related to you. Then tap on next. Then here you may want to key in your email address. So for this case, I'm going to skip this part. And then here you want to add your bio. Alright, so be aware of limitation here, which is you can only type 80 characters. So if you can see, if I tap over here and I key in 1, 2, 3, so you can see 1, 2, 3, it means 3 characters and 3 characters has been taken. So you only have 80, so be careful of that. Then next, I'm going to just skip for this part. For your case, you may want to put in your bio and then click on confirm. Then here, profile completed, create video now. If you want to create a video now, you can go ahead and create now. But for this case, I'm going to select maybe later. Alright, then once you're done, you're all set. Now you can access more tools to better connect with your customers and grow your business. Alright, so congratulations, now you have a business TikTok account. Okay, now next is that we want to upload your profile picture. Now, chances that you may not have one, so you might want to go ahead and upload one, or you want to change it. So go ahead, tap on the edit profile. Then here you can see there's an option here to change your photo profile. So go ahead, tap on that, and then tap on upload photo. Then here you may want to select any of your logo or your profile picture. So if you already have a logo, you can select your logo. But for this case, I'm going to select my profile picture. Select that, then save and post. Alright, now you already have your profile photo up. Next is to add your name here. Go ahead and type your name. And make sure your name is the one that you want it. Otherwise, just change it. So for this case, I'm going to leave it. And your username as well. Now this is very important. This is the one that you're going to share your link out. So you can see this, tiktok.com/@NielTanOfficial. So that is your unique username. So only you alone will have this link, special link. So if you want to add it or change it, go ahead and tap on that. And here you can change it. So example, if I put ABC behind that, you can see that ABC is added behind the link. Alright, so once you're satisfied with the name, go ahead and tap on save. Yeah, but one more thing. You might ask, hey Neil, how come I cannot add any space? So let's say if I add some space, it will not work actually. Okay, you see that? Okay, you're using this up to 24 characters, and then just shorten it. And you can see, only letters, numbers, underscores, or periods are allowed. Okay, so be aware of that. So in this case, I'm going to cancel it because I just want to remain this username. And then here you want to add your bio. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you can insert your bio. So be aware there's only 80 characters. Okay, so there's only 80 characters. Go ahead and key in a very short bio. Once done, tap on save. Then next is the business information. So here if you have a website, go ahead and add in your website. So for my case, it's nieltan.com. Go ahead and put your website if you have one. Otherwise, you can put your link tree or your social media link over here. Then next, you want to go and tap on action buttons. Here, you can insert your email, your phone number, your address, and your ad. So with this action button, it allows your audience to actually email you or drop you a WhatsApp message or to give you a call. Or with your address, they can actually visit your physical store offline. And if you have a mobile app, you may want to insert your app link over here. So once you got the action buttons done, let us go next to the profile display. Here, you may want to turn on your email and phone number. Now, this is optional. So if you want people to email you, you may want to turn this on. If you want someone to give you a call, you may want to turn this on. Otherwise, you can just turn it off. So you can see once I turn it off, the email and phone number disappear. Okay, so for this case, I want to turn it on. Okay. Then next, once you get your profile display done, next is let us go and set up the leads form. So what is a leads form? A leads form is for your audience to take certain action, such as tapping on the Apply Now button or Learn More button. So for this case, I'm going to select Learn More, and then I'm going to tap on Next. Then here, so what kind of details do you want to collect from your audience? So for this case, I want to collect the name, the phone number, and their email address. Okay, so once you're satisfied with this, go ahead and tap on Next. Now, this is very important. Whenever you collect someone else's information, such as their name, email address, and contact number, you need to have a privacy policy link. Okay, that means go to Google Form or your Facebook lead form, any form that collects information, you need to have your privacy policy link. But here's the good news for you. I prepared a privacy policy template for you, so you can go ahead and use this link. So I'm going to put this link below or above of this video. Go ahead and click on that link. So once you click on that link, you will be directed to this template. So you can copy this template and then you can paste it over here. Manually add the privacy policy. Okay, please be aware that you may need to change the text with the yellow highlight here. So you want to add the date. So today is the date. You need to put your date, month, and year. And then here you want to put your company name, and you want to put your website name if you have one. Alright, so this is for set A. Basically, I have another set, which is set B. I can just scroll down and you can see this set B. Okay, so here you want to add the date as well. And then scroll down, you can see there's any red text. So that's where you want to change it. So you have the home address, the office address. Then here you want to put in your domain name if you have one, and your website link. And then scroll down and you can see you can add in your email address, your website, and then your contact number. So you want to copy all the way onto here only. Do not copy here. Okay, do not copy the disclaimer information below. So just copy all the way onto here, starting from set B. Okay, let's say you want set B. Copy from here all the way down to before the disclaimer message here. Okay, copy all this, go back to TikTok and paste it over here, manually add. Besides using my privacy policy template, there's another method, which is to use ChatGPT to prepare your privacy policy. So this is the message that I've prepared for ChatGPT. So please prepare a privacy policy for my website related to the property industry. I am collecting personal information, including names, email addresses, and contact numbers. Now, if you're collecting more than these, then you want to add in more information, such as their home address, their office address, their birthday, their age, and etc. Right? So once you key in all the information that you're going to collect, go ahead and tap on Send. And now you can see the magic work by ChatGPT. Alright, so once done, you can go ahead and copy this. Now, you only want to copy all the way here. Okay, because here is just a note from ChatGPT. So according to ChatGPT, this template is a starting point and should be customized to align with your specific business practices and legal requirements. It's recommended to consult with legal professionals to ensure your privacy policy meets all relevant regulation and law. Alright, so please take note of that. Now, if you're okay with this template, go ahead and copy this, go back to TikTok and paste it over here, manually add. Okay, so for my case, I'm going to put in my website, which is https://com/privacy policy. Okay, so this will be my link. Now, please take note, if you want to put in this link, you must make sure you have a website, a domain name. Okay, you can't put your Google Doc links into this upload URL. So make sure it's a website link and not any other link. Not Linktree, not Bitly, not Google Doc, but your own domain name website. Now once you put in your link, go ahead and tap on Next. Alright, then here is just want to inform you that you need to review your form details. So this will be the information displayed on your form. Okay, so your goal visible on your profile, video, and live. Then the button will be Learn More. Introduction, so please fill in the form if you are interested in our product or services, and we will contact you soon. Then here you can see the customer info to be collected, which is their name, phone number, and email address. And then I've uploaded my privacy policy. So I've uploaded the URL. So here you can preview it, tap on the preview, and you can see how the form looks like. So the name, phone number, email address, and then with the privacy policy. And then you can test it out and then tap on submit. Okay, so for this case, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to close it. So once everything done, everything is correct, you double check and then tap on submit. So ready to submit your form. Your information will be reviewed after submission. Are you confirming the submission? If yes, tap on confirm. Done, submitted. So your information is in review. We'll notify you via TikTok inbox once it's complete. Alright, then next, let us go back to our profile here. Go ahead and tap on this category if you do not have a category yet. If you want to change your category, you can go ahead and change it as well. So for this case, I'm going to select education and training. I'm going to tap on save. Then scroll down is the social, which is the Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Okay, so let us go and connect your Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. So let me show you how. Alright, so now what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on add Instagram, and then it will direct you to the Instagram login page. Go ahead and insert your username, your phone number, your email address, which is your login ID, and then your password, and then tap on login. Then here, you have an option to save your information or select not now. So for this case, if you want to have Instagram to remember your information, go ahead and tap on save information. Then here, you want to allow Instagram to use cookies and similar technologies on the other apps and websites. If yes, then allow. So go ahead, tap on allow. Then here, TikTok would like to receive the following information about NielTan, okay, which is about your TikTok account. So you want to tap on allow. Okay, so that is how you connect Instagram. Then next, let us go to YouTube. So go ahead and tap on YouTube. Alright, next, go ahead and tap on continue. Then here, that's where you want to select your Gmail account. So here I got a lot of Gmail accounts. So for this case, I'm going to select the first one. Then here you want to allow TikTok to access to your Google account. So this allow you TikTok to connect to your YouTube. So let's go ahead and tap allow. And then here, you can see now it's successfully connected. Now next, let us go to Twitter. So let's go and tap on Twitter. Here, you want to authorize TikTok to access to your TikTok account. So go ahead and tap on authorize ad. Alright, so this is how you connect your Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter account to TikTok. Alright, so that is all for this video. Please leave your question down below of this video. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok. And I hope to see you creating your first TikTok video. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.